Hui, aloha kako. I'm gonna go through the steps on prepping the tea leaf to make lei. Okay, so you're gonna start with your tea leaf. Hopefully it looks better than this one. I would say the first step is to cut it as close to the evi. Evi is the midrib here, the bone. Cut it as close to the evi as you can. And then I just go like this and slide it right down. Okay. And then same on the other side. Okay. So now you have it cut off from this piece, put in a pile. We're not throwing any green rubbish in the trash can, okay? So these will all go back to the aina after. So save these in a pile. And then these ones, now that you cut it, you need to wipe them down. Okay, so we have paper towels and rags that you can use. Wipe down the leaf so that there's no debris, no bugs, no eggs, that kind of stuff. Okay, so wipe it down. Then you're going to make a stack. And I think you can put maybe like 10 leaves or more in your stack. And when you stack it up, try to stack all the similar size ones together. And then you're just gonna roll it up like a sushi roll, like a hand roll, sushi hand roll. Okay, and you're gonna make a little bundle of them. And then this bundle, your bundle will probably be bigger because you'll have like 10 to 15 leaves in it. But as you bundle them up like this, you're gonna put them in the plastic bag like that. And then you're gonna put all the bundles in, as many as you can fit in here. So maybe like 6 or 8 bundles. After you do that, and this bag is full with tea leaf bundles, then you're gonna go upstairs to Auntie Nani's office and you're gonna put them in the freezer so that they're ready on Monday to make lei. Okay? All right, have fun. Ahui ho.